Hi, Ken Hebert, the VP of Marketing for BluBird Industries, and this is the BluBird Industries HumpBack 3000. This is the reel that's going to have our hose on it, Tough Tech exterior cover, polyester braided pressure washing hose, quick connect. And you look at the quality of the brass and the steel and the powder coating. This is the motor. 3000 max PSI pressure washing system. Our lead-in hose, it's a 3/4 100% EPDM rubber hose. Why is that important? Because you want as much volume of water going through your pump as possible so you avoid cavitation. We've got everything that you're gonna need to use. We've got a sprayer, 4000 PSI. We have a foam cannon. And then we have this intake screen right here. So when the water comes in, it's going to protect the motor against any dirt or debris getting in there. And let's look at the tips for just a second. A 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and the soak tip. You have an extender so you can use the gun and get a little closer. This is your 35-foot power cord. You can detach the unit and walk around and go take the motor other places. It's got an off and an on. It's 1.45 gallons per minute, 2300 working PSI, and a simple 120 volt. You just plug it in and you're ready to go. This is Ken Hebert with BluBird Industries saying thank you for watching.